Hello friends and welcome back. It is third video of exercise 8.1 of chapter trigonometry. So let's solve it. Given sec theta equal to 13 by 12 and we have to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So let it as angle theta. Let it as angle theta. This one as angle theta. So if this is angle theta, then it given sec theta. Let's solve it. Sec theta. Sec theta is given. Let this as A, B, and this one as C. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base, which is equal to 13 by 12. Hypotenuse is 13 and base is 12. So what will be perpendicular? We have to find perpendicular firstly, then we will find all other ratios. So by PGT, AC whole square equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square. AC is 13 and its whole square equal to AB is 12 and its whole square plus BC is as it is. Now what will be 13 square? 13 into 13 equal to 169 equal to 12 into 12 equal to 144 plus BC square whole square. Now BC whole square equal to, if we subtract 169 minus 144, what it comes out as? It comes out as 25. So BC equal to on squaring both sides it will become 25 root 25, so it will become 5. So BC is 5 unit. Now we have to calculate all ratios. So firstly we will write PBP upon HHB for sine theta. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so perpendicular is 5 upon hypotenuse is 13, and sine cos theta, and it is cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so base is 12 upon hypotenuse is 13, and tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, so perpendicular is 5 upon base is 12, and sine cos tan cot. Now cot equal to cot theta equal to, so cot theta equal to 12 by 5. Sec theta equal to, sec is already given, so we will not write it, or you can write again. It is said all other trigonometry, so we will exclude sec. So cosec theta equal to 13 by 5, which is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now this question has been solved. Now move to the question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. In this question, it is given that in a triangle, it is A, B and C, not B. B is acute, so B and C, A, B and C. Angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B. It is given that cos A equal to cos B. Now we have to prove angle A equal to angle B. We have to prove angle A equal to angle B. So let's prove it. Now firstly what we will do, using a cos A and cos B, we can find the ratio of the length of two sides of right angle triangle with respective angles. Then after comparing both the ratios in right angle triangle ABC, as you know that angle A angle B are acute angle, so C is right angle. C is right angle and C is right angle. After comparing both sides, we can say angle C is right angle. So in the we are taking this example of right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, ABC, angle A and angle B are acute such that and angle C is right angle. Now we'll find cos A and cos B firstly. We will find cos A and cos B, then we will compare it. So cos A equal to what will be cos A? Cos A will be AC side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse, means base upon hypotenuse. So AC upon AB, and cos B equal to BC upon AB. For cos B, perpendicular will be this, base will be this, perpendicular will be this one. Now it is already given that cos A equal to cos B. Cos A equal to cos B, we can write, then it is given cos A equal to cos B. So we can write like this, AC upon AB equal to BC upon AB. We can write like this. Now AB and AB removed. Now we can say that AC equal to BC. If AB equal to BC, not AC equal to BC, then we can say that the angle opposite to equal sides are equal by the theorem angle opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So we can say that angle A equal to angle B. It is proved. We have taken this in right angle triangle. So it is proved. Now, so question 6 has finished. Now meet you in the next video. Rest question will be in next videos.